Afternoon tea time on delivery.
Desserts are from Lal, Soon Kee Setapak outlet. Macau Meaty Chop Bun. A big flat piece of marinated chop is filled into a special polo bun. The outer layer of polo bun is crunchy. The marinated chop is juicy and tender. This is salted egg yolk flavor, very tasty. Basically finished in few bites.
Bubur cha cha.
A creamy and sweet Malaysian dessert originated from the Nyonya cuisine. That consists of taro, sweet potato, sago pearls, tapioca jelly and sugar cooked in pandan-infused coconut milk.
The aroma of coconut milk spread across the dining room.
Sweet potato is my favorite. Such a creamy, yummy dessert.
Sesame glutinous ball in sweet ginger soup. Complemented with sweet potato.
This is also known as
Tangluan.
a traditional Chinese dessert made of glutinous rice shaped into a ball, normally served in hot broth or syrup.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos2U channel.
Kudos2U is a foodie discovery channel, featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core, local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
This glutinous ball came with fillings, black sesame. Very delicious.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 9 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.